Hello, this is K Survivor. In today's video, I will tell you everything you need to know about bus transfers in Seoul, so you can save money and make the most of public transportation. First of all, the basic fare for an adult using a bus card is 1,201. This fare is for all buses traveling within Seoul. This basic fare covers a distance of 10 kilometers, even if you transfer to another bus. Every extra 5 kilometers you travel after that will incur an extra 101. So, the final cost of your bus trip will depend on the distance you have traveled. Here are some important rules to know about bus transfers. Number 1. You can transfer up to 4 times. Number 2. You have 30 minutes to transfer. After getting off the bus, you must tap on another bus within 30 minutes to be eligible for a free transfer. If you tap on after 30 minutes, you will have to pay 1,201 again. From 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. the next morning, this transfer time is extended to 1 hour. Number 3. Make sure you tap off at the card reader when getting off the bus. If you don't plan on transferring and only taking one bus, then you don't need to tap off. However, if you plan on transferring, make sure you tap on and off every bus, otherwise you will incur extra fees. Number 4. You cannot transfer to another bus with the same number. For example, if you got on the 100 bus to go to the market, and then you tried to get on the 100 bus again to go home, this would not register as a free transfer. So, make sure you take a different number bus to save money. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below.